Okay, so internet refillers and artist mapolo man the and quintessential like Son of Africa for Kwame Eugene.
Yeah.
You can get it on most of Ghana blog sites. GH Host, Anyel Nimane, Ghana Motion, Ghana Songs, Ghana Music. These are Anyel.
Yeah.
But no the other to Ashela. Audio Magnum Bumpers won't create attention for themselves because they cannot survive without blog sites.
No, don't.
When you can, Banku Tonya Bumbarban Shah.
But there is no real to Ashemaya.
Yeah.
Why not Katicheka Tinoma Bankama in your bumper shade and Kana and the Simpson that doesn't attention Charlie money rather than making it look like Zangama Yagarongo.
You see, if coming to look at these things, we are come blogs to stand on their own. Understand? Like audio mark no to. The thing in your to Australia. Spotify and bon, Apple Music and bon, Audio Mac and bon. Nowadays, artists mama very director level fans to those platforms because that platforms man like easy to use. Understand? Yeah, come on more advantages and got blog sites.
Okay, so
the only advantage on your wanna come on the my sites ma bo be like ibonela sites ma no search engines ma and I'm telling you that people don't come on Google to search songs. They search streaming platforms and social media and on social media.
Repetitions.
What do you stand to gain if kawan artists bahaben show?
Yeah.
Kaman so bah oyira. Karbe audio ma kazan link ma zana asan ma. Even though you are directing the people to that particular place, but what do you get as a blog site?
Well, this is a very good question. I like most artist managers and artists themselves, and even audience, let me say fans of music, but believing that when we put someone's music on our site, we get money.
Yeah, there are palace station. People were
even as at now, people still have it in mind. Even Android and don't come mind man. Even though because I hear, or mala mind that things are so ilan nang. Teniyan day gam la, because nang kalan zanganye la.
Yeah, because I download the math.
But I can just give you a clear picture. Kama mampa understand. Just go in. Kucha matuyo ge Ghana Trace. Nyanya anye any unwanted ad. When I say ad, I mean advert. Advert shouldn't display man. When open Ghana Trace, kaya nyanya laban ma. So anding yavet tisane. Don't na tiri blog artist ila. Kaya tuna na download kanya la ads ma. That is when we will get money.
Get money, yes, sure.
So this tells you that we are out to help the artists. So audio mark link Ghana Trace artist marketing song it has no use for us.
No marketing problem.
Yes.
Because you are supposed to make money from your
so let me still come.
Each acts there
Ghana Trace like this uses links. Other blog sites. We use other people's links. Come on, put you to share. Bangar Tezoma, Baninegart Tama. Bangona I have been a couple promoter with them, but they will pick up your link and use it for traffic because I'm on the machine de Girlanirwa. So yeah, Baya use me but
what's Zenith trying to let us understand is that Lela Benya Mami open yet in the blogs man and yet defend. I've worked with a blogger before can la asma can me yes. It's not there with them.
Yeah. So let me continue. That's a problem. And you use something and I want to just come. I am Hanama. The Bamba not a thing when Obano like Nigam anti Ghana motion, anti Ghana music, and link shala. Obano in the Banako Palazanama, Cabosonco Palana intentionally. They go to them. Like just last week, Stoneboy Coachella on Zion Felix. Yes. Competition in the field. So we like 10 now. On Changma free coach ma.
Yeah, sure.
Of course.
Free coach ma. But when I even artists ne na blog ila ba. Oben kana ya on jini maka text WhatsApp. First of all, so alle tendere pambiane like most of the users ma, especially ban user less phone card, but we phone on take a lot ads ma bien. It is very difficult for the person to use them.
It's destructive.
Then check out the banana ma. Arabo handling ya. Then can love sama. Then users to make it user friendly. Then check out the banana ma. The palette jela la are. Things are not deep shutting then deep no can to look at the end to kana. But not to come back. So the palette will la but how to help you and make it user friendly and whatever. And let me tell you something. I like the world's population.
Okay.
I got the big Ghana population. Right now we have about 32 million. Actually, at 32 ma, 10% of 10 million of them use smartphones.
Okay.
Out of that 30 million ma, and that 10 million use smartphones ma. Smartphones so actually I like about 20% of let me say about 20,000%, 20,000 population ma, then come 1% ma population ma. Can we use the phones with internet connectivity but not smartphones?
Okay.
To lab ban use the phones with internet connectivity ma za. Bezana to te Ghana trace. Abana, aku chanto da ki pass phone 30 cedis. Karama internet connectivity. Ka aku yoga browser ka sab ghana3.com. I am chame.
Okay.
And when we say stream nyam ka me yila. Karukuto yi na phone money. But anto imele na. Ant lambara ka lan lab na internet over the internet. Ghana3 we embed player. Kiku bara tens ana player konkona. Kabu zang download link. Kaso kanti di ka ila man mi hantin na ko wom kai.
Okay.
So we can even serve as online streaming platform.
Depending on
it depending on the version.
Okay.
So tenem like kamali to like what AudioMac does ma. Subcategory nyala nzante tenema.
Kala
Subcategory nyala nzante tenema. The only place is payments side ma.
Payment side.
If there's but ambo.
So let's
yeah.
Now we need to wrap up. I want to now see the benefits. AudioMac. Dries, I mean, I make a undertow passion before you can be verified. High look up the pillar, go and stuff like that.
Well, verification man, you are my understand. But my monetization program,
okay.
I monetize a content. I need to come as solo. Come come and bunkana, but talk to womb for ad free.
Okay.
I monetize a content ma. Be cannot womb that can you make a lot per stream on the understandable. Okay. And I don't hear features the user friendly features. I understand and subcategory near AudioMac them features ma on their platforms.
Subcategory.
Tia mangale. AudioMac ampun yara maka nta do understand ra. En yero ma command AudioMac den ma features shama. Ghana3 den karakwata. I understand. For instance, I come on AudioMac and I want to akaya nebem bora nebem to nang long.
Yes, bonto no.
Dem pon nang sham ka yara. Ka imbora. So okay features ma. Can you them be Ghana3? Can features all the features can ma. The biela Ghana3.
Okay.
Trending. Total trending Ghana3. Albums, tamala albums Ghana3.
Okay.
All categories ma. General ma za tamala Ghana3.
Albums.
Comments, tamala comment Ghana3. Features ma ba ma.
Comments ma. Which one is
you was telling me that?
Which
you was telling me that?
Okay.
No, I want to confirm something. You was telling me that no line comment like Ghana3. Because you no empty email address. This is to verify that you are a real human being and to verify that this is where you are coming from and this is your name, so that artist man can your comment ma or a mimia. When Yelama or should woman Yelama can understand the Kana Yelama. The Palo woman Karman China Bellezantona or Sama Jalama.
Okay.
So it is to trace the one who has commented, and if we want to reply to that person, I reply him to that person. It's just like AudioMac. After creating AudioMac accounts, can comment on someone's thing.
Also,
so if you are saying you were supposed to enter Google, Gmail,
okay,
it's just the same as creating. Like I'm logging in AudioMac. After commenting so bad. I mean about that.
Okay.
So that's it. And another point is. No, ma, I am. Come on, whatever is that is coming in.
Okay.
And I don't like that.
Somewhere. You see, we are now trying to get the larger picture, and that is tendo no sham dian fan the phone because tendo phone on the yilama. Be chances who got another yilama. Understand? At the end of this conversation, the two Indian artists come managing Kabuhama. Which one is best for me?
Yes.
Don't got bora. But we are not disputing the fact that they use it by him.
Yes.
But from if you man, you could trust him na haleki to convince man come and do him, it can work together.
So the thing right now is like I do yalla it to share come million points share no distribution middleman needed. I understand you. For instance, I'm a creator.
Okay.
Got your AudioMac. You don't need anyone else. No manager abin yarama.
Okay.
You have your account. I understand ya. And afans ma yan viewer la account ma from their side. Kadam interface share ben viewer la kam yin bana viewer ben yara through them sham. So you commenting and to lapso. But so you commenting yela so Ghana Trace. No to lapso. Unko to lapso because she Ghana Trace no man lapso. But then so ni yara feature shama ya. Ghana Trace no man runner page ma.
Yeah.
But with you as an artist, you have a one-on-one direct conversation with your fans. I understand you. So you comment and to love so on Ghana Trace is not possible. And on your platform, Shangama,
you can wait. Anto chanting.
Jango correcto. Antonia. Hala Anto reply comment. So Anto love so. That is all.
But as an artist,
no blogger, even not an artist, any other audience can reply to that comment.
But then can
so receiving open than Audio Mark according to Lapso. But on Ghana Trace, any other person can reply to that person.
How does this benefit me? I'm an artist.
It benefits you.
I'm a growing artist.
When
platforms. This is a one-on-one direct conversation with my fan.
Chat is different from comment. You are not chatting with the person. Commenting you see, you know correction shall no correct. Zini, is our benefits.
Zini, at the end of this conversation, be those okay, relax, you know, distribution. Points, Mama Karen de la Conti and Karen Lapon, yes, share. Okay, points, Mama points. No distribution, you know, distribution, middleman needed.
Yeah.
For instance, on created an Audio Mark account, uploading me fans dire la fila on bano like me artist so ye garma baka wum yira ma ga filo en appel me followers ka pa do lan wumda kan fans garam come on audio no
it's not possible
the not possible so when you want me to
I want to do something at the place
don't replace anything man understand it to share anye Audio Mark mean Ghana Trace ni yara mi ta ye Audio Mark na feature shanga ye Ghana Trace kale do kwata ka bor na yelma no Audio Mark
no feature matter in meaning something for you that artist
kan bor na yara ya trend platform I name trend platform if I release my song trendera how do I know man as an artist how do I know that my song is trending on your platform? Is it easy for me is it easy for me as compared to Audio Mark? Let's compare analytics from the fan side, from the user side. Ontonya and artist analytics. Ontonya, these are the amount of people who have listened to the song. These are the amount of people who have reacted, who have liked and stuff like that. Is it available on the
that's what I'm going to answer you. That's what I'm going to answer. Let me answer because
that questions come
like the only difference people no make it point share like you make it claim I artist kaputa and show on Audio Mark you have some privacy, some kind of privacy. So later comment you'll be able to read the comment. Different user who is also your follower cannot read that comment, cannot reply to that comment. Wait. Ghana Trace like someone can react, someone can do what I like something like Ghana Trace.
Okay.
Like Ghana Web, that is somehow like national.
Yeah, higher in rank. Yeah.
So when they knew something about Northern region, they come and pick it in Ghana Trace.
Yes.
I can use it and replace Larry Abshalan user. An artist can re-upload you or something on his timeline. Go fans benefiting from it. And Ghana Web can re-upload something from Ghana Trace to make their fans benefit from it, their audience benefit from it, which means your comfort zone.
No, but wait, is it that possible?
We have that links with them. Mostly.
Mr. Zini is trying all he can to win this debate. You understand? But I'm trying to let people understand that Ghana Trace mean Audio Mark. Audio Mark jirme yarapam ka Ghana Trace bankale. Understand?
And that is the Rincheka, there is Pierre Machama. You see, I start Ayermakama. You going to know la.
And I'm telling you that wait. What I wanted him to understand is that whatever is on Audio Mark, artist mark, I can how you can change it. You have seen it that way, and that is how you have to go by.
How do you mean?
Aku to change it shout upon it.
For instance,
Trend ko to pass also aka labs na to song tan.
No.
Audio ma ban kunang bo feature partial polo. That is how it is, and that is how it is going to maintain. Celebrate line change it lab and shout.
That is not a problem.
And Ghana Trace to manage this shalom. Whatever is there, that is how it's going to be till Tenambaza and line change it. And that's why I'm telling you that when upgrade the features, man, we can as well upgrade it. Like and the keep understand any feature on it, and some of the features can even be forged. Like and the keep understand
okay. It means that whatever is there, like as an extra 10 man. If you want to update his site.
Asset now, need to have 2 million active users daily. How do you confirm it?
How do I confirm?
Honest man, but you as an artist cannot verify it.
Okay,
so
but it's a fact.
It's not authentic. It's not a fact. It's a fact. A fact should be able to be.
I only 70,000 reach per month, man.
But you understand what I was telling you?
I can't verify it.
So we can. Like and Mark and you keep understanding. Like, come out the trend and how could you Ghana Trace first? Banana trending. Whatever is trending, then you money. Then switching. The next one will come. Then scroll man. So T what I tell you, I will be sure then first man. Then you me today's active users on Ghana Trace 100 million.
Okay. Zanambo maram until ki nale. Total assurance.
Assurance.
And that's what I'm telling you, that you can assure me that like 2.something million man, it is true. It can never be verified.
It is true because he uploaded. For instance, an artist like Fadlan has uploaded his album on OG.
Okay.
It has reached say 500,000 streams. Okay. I understand. Can you tell me like the amount of streams you have on like a particular artist? I mean to Yelma. Is it as compared to that one artist on a year ma or album streams ma? To then can the ye bonoma or yele to ashel commande and to me solo to cannot me a year. Come a woman like Bakala and Chankara Kalpa as a stream.
Yeah.
If I come and play on Ghana Trace, la no Korean
Ghana Trace,
no
downloads.
Please.
I spoke about downloads.
Please cut downloads. So even on the play,
I said you can play, but to count the play.
So you can
download. To didn't count comments. The way you can the ball. I didn't count plays.
Mambiya I can.
Okay, so chamba.
But Mamborman understand the command on audio mark. You can count all those things. Can you come here and you go to Kalaba?
I thought I use them as downloaders, like that, but the downloading things, downloadable things. That's why I use the download for you. La play man, don't play a cat and use that. We are not a hosting platform. In the point you're beginning man, so we don't count per lab man. To put it on any server, so we cannot count it.
Okay.
About you have a server. Then a couple elements as music that you can click carry me. Take a server shell don't host the music.
Okay.
That's why I can differentiate.
So
only like actually can understand on the terms when usually he doesn't understand like
no me understand. As in
listen to what I'm telling you.
As in English, but not as in.
But that's what I said.
Technical terms. I am in the year and I understand.
I said terms. I understand and it's true.
No, I understand that.
So now apart from you giving them that traffic because like I say, come on in traffic.
Yes.
The plan in yarle. Artist ma, nazan yila zan no isane.
Okay.
Kazan zan no audio mark. Benefits den son can stand and gain it because if he cannot when you come out Ghana Trace, about $10,000 be 4,000. In the long run,
well, okay, so entirely Abahaguma is very, very important, and you see long run, I'm very happy about that because I got before you can get from something, you have to really strive well, and you also spend in it because I got investment. You have to invest in it, then you reap later. So only whatever we do on Ghana Trace is purposely promotional, and in case of what you can get from it, I'm one man you been shot from it. The yame I got lay yida pune. Come on, yalam sashe kam. Yida the man lang wanna we concentrate on the music than the showbiz.
Okay.
So Nick studio team yila. Kayina tizam buy. That is all.
Creating the news
apart from that, Babylon Lehera, what other things can I do to make
it look
to keep myself active and then presentable? So I lay yila dabo konko funika artist nyar laare hala nyam pien songba yila dabo de be ndwane pilgo de be ndwane ayi de be ndwane atade cham to ndwane nyanga artist ne tuno nya laare from yila ni sham ami abana be ka streams punenye the like the first thing that artist should get money from ka the first thing abana and command pumbo la bo hashele bole da chika bazang live too short then intro to live too short album man and zambana block size ka bazang on YouTube audio mark to audio mark link and that was because they needed a song to be like immediately promoted
within a particular
within being a non show man because that is their catchment area abangla and that is what then check kan ko yala sa yel kam ye tamala real and authentic like definable audience man. So I'm born me I reach it to our people man instantly man. That was why they brought it to us.
Okay.
Abangla so and as I know ni man de nchama ka bantu na bogumle ka anti yina nte bora ban na bakana nte labsi anti la shel nang den mata ka anyaba.
Okay.
Abangla ya shama that is the long run.
Okay.
Ami abana ya share. Tika na short run when I take a iron jab shot from us. We could also make it like let me see some royalties from us. Tibora tinto nan Ghana trace. Kara lebagi lo shapulutin zan yila nan an kana na ta download le shayo kana download le. Abana so ti nan la then you can be able to get money from it.
I think that was the only immediate man then yala bora immediate
in the short one ten to nan sham kanya la arambala but an kana tele artist ni zon o yila nan ka charge so palam pishna no ba ne ba la yendale because up to yil arma ba so organize nan phone man you need to either buy through mobile money through electronic means but how many people use it ne ba la use le ne tin yili shama unwana ma tin yili balishale yili shama ne ban wumdele ma ban ne ba la ne to mi har karamba ngo ka yel man nan ka la arma changa sama ne ba la ne to karam ne so it tells you that you need to concentrate on among like target you know the target of people up to yin dagban yira ka tahara ne a much of our audience ka ba yira sirmin tan
no mala on doctor no
even if diyan nan de mal ayen yin general share an le nzon oiluma aisoba to be ayon ko yina te yin la yire sha on yin ma even though he blends it with English but how did kunyo ya balle ba yes he can still go far because on na ben shama is absolutely different but agbana ko yina tin na mi sa bana top na ben sha kai nan la ya balle ka bo na ban che bi yaden ma ka ba den ma that means you don't know what you are doing. You need to have your target, and if you have your target, then you need to know how to get them. I am Yabasham, so I am Yabasham man. You can say that I Ayapolo bumi block side shama. I mean about
okay. Yeah, so then understanding. I'm sure viewers have been dead down fan because yeah, people have gotten to understand that if team a streaming platform, Katanoto diverting your attention channel man.
Yeah.
Can put the effort ma ka wunda katanoto nyetem warwen sha but block site ma deeper banantina jin ne bet structure la ben yarma tana ko to nya la shetin bief shetin nya ma even though the kama la arma it cannot do as
to let me even tell you something you see I'm not discouraging like when you said 5 seconds last level like I'm not discouraging people from using lab and harma I'm not discouraging anybody from using that but I'm telling them that Akuto used to konko nyambora ban shama unless you partner with us.
Okay.
I mean understand yala shama. You cannot use that alone and get what you want to get. Abangla. If not then lead them astray.
So it means you are going to be deceived that I'm here with Shala platform and that is the exact thing.
Let me even tell you, I am banging any right to like they can't depend on their own. Kucham Ghana trace pages or Facebook. Ntichang anko comments ni galisi chapolo enter there and you can artist chant to copy audio mag link and to post the tenants and let no audience chant to woman. If you can depend on your own, but let's check out chant the on your own way. Kazan anti commentary on that.
He's making good.
That means
Facebook
and what are we talking about now?
Yes,
if being my 2.something million active users,
Facebook,
why don't you leave it there for those active listers?
No, wait, I'm still going. Ghana trace co user, Facebook co user.
I'm still continuing, man. man does be like
Yes.
Publicity ma point.
Yes.
Man the point
so
yet mala audience on social media. Can I audio mark mala page on Facebook.
Ma bien.
Man I your life too short the phone.
Oh, you won't get it there. Ma ko nyele ni man.
Unless so if it was promotional, and and life too short audio mark. Brenza not nang page man because absolute about half population of world man they use social media.
Okay. So it means that didn't you have audio mark? Then you were supposed to promote your link on audio mark platforms.
If you are sure that they can promote you, promote your links there.
I know that's for a particular artist.
Okay.
Let's say
not a particular artist. Let me come. Not a particular artist. Even Ghana stars man when they release their albums,
yes,
they still pay bloggers to put links man on their blogs because they need attention.
Yes, you see, he's trying all he can to win this. So which
so bring out your facts.
You see, I'm trying with audio mark and to share to what Snapchat
repetition.
No, you don't land.
I do Oboro and Shamza winnable.
No, it's not about win. It's not about win.
Now so I chance you will you understand you and a woman who to anti chance you will I understand year and be year. No boy to I care. I'm going to point my disappearance or stuff like that. Come on. Come being point madam man meeting the bishop.
No, the bishop Zeni was trying to let us understand that if I believe in the Kamalala platform, a number of active users in a day, Kakutozan I link my channel Nimane, but you still come back to the blog a smart sunny. Book page for people to go tap on the link, then what is the essence of putting it there?
So the thing is, can hear you to actually. Yeah, particular artist, the person is using Facebook. Ghana trace ko user ma. Only Facebook. Then you will land the key. Particular blog or page. Baka Ghana trace website ma. Ko chant poster lab ma. Because I could post the. So yeah, we make a good
for the site.
I am post a picture, but the man can you know I'm post a picture. When come on to post a link, but post a link.
Yeah, for sure.
So that particular thing, man, he's making good use of the platform and the landing cell. So be page share ban post a man. I understand it. So for the tuna, I really question mark.
Yeah, so there is no one now could it's like we started it, but because of Lala and Chana Kayama. So to one thing, audio mark. For how long will it take you to get something out of the platform?
Okay, Kawanre Yarma, audio mark is a free streaming platform.
Okay.
So, but in the born come they are making a lot through it and to know the monetization program. And I've seen artists like Mr. Easy come on the monetization program and chant click it. Share I chant the premium the Mala premium platform share can apa register through it. Can pay through but I don't think platforms like GhanaTrace.com have stuff like that. I understand it. But right now we are talking about
something that's
already existing features market here. I understand it. So I think that concerning the Armada and Shema audio mark banna sungare GhanaTrace, I think
Okay. So here is our conversation, I mean, I want you to know, so that's how it is. We are just trying to let our people understand that look, the platforms the buy Amazon is all good, and then we need to make good use of them. Zene, finally, finally, you see, the one that's here, come on, this one is
not bad.
But the one that you understand, come on, let's not make it look like we are supposed to dump this one and go there.
No,
I understand it. So I just want you to there is 1 minute
no, but this is but I just want to continue from other like I am banging you cannot survive on one. La ben hara shanting I am banging you cannot survive on one. You need to take it back. Lovely hinyanga bosaka audio mark mapile kan you know de yala pumpon ka bon ni san yala za bahar na. Think about that. And I don't confirm from what I'm telling you that number of active users it doesn't mean they are your reach. I mean understand ya sha la active users ma da ba wohne la active users ma nyam basa be ngum la yida I am bang na da ba wohor la I can show you something ma mang na publishing April 2019 haleno so kana nya 14 place ka out of la 14 play na man mamang place na pa 10 mamang no kula bra myale then got 10.
So it means that it means that your mama gonna talk play severally.
If I'm logging in, yes, I'm logging in. Kapu nyala the encounter.
The counter.
Okay. Dokumala YouTube. I'm logging in.
So hankala. Ngoto kumyara hai kata 5,000.
Anto yambang la active users ma. They can use shele.
Okay.
Nede zang nang ma. Kapu share the link ma. Nebe na awumle. But till ka sang aban nang audio, asa aban nang audio ma kapu share link ma. Karpunya new user nya ana ka followers.
You just
don't got 100 years ka bunye one stream. Ka active users ma ka bunye 2.something million daily active users. So ka zan aban nan den aka
a song nan Ghana trees. A song nan Ghana trees. Ka share the link ka to play. Abala when bang the zo. No,
definitely.
So I be here, madam. Woman, I point in here because this is a line here.
Okay. So Zini, don't you also try to tell okay, teacher.
Continue. Mama evidence kaya rama. Mama, April 2019. Mama profile number. So the palanka audio mark kaya rama. If it was not good, now could be a name.
Line.
But it's good. Then check and be a phone. And what I want you to understand, ma, is that in the Puyara search engines here, don't go and mention Ghana trace. Kabu share link ma non lo share polo. I can assure you that within a week, Antonio 1,000 visits to it. Kabu share ya link ko. Karukuya unknown person nya. Katukuza happen in Ghana trace.
Unknown person share link ma.
I'm telling you that we have people who visit Ghana trace. Koko kwa phone go browser GhanaTrace.com. Oben chang share polo.
I enjoy visits.
We have a page.
Bamela 2.7 million visits daily active.
To la visit maya.
To I enjoy the Tenangaria visit.
Kana bantu ne katinyara.
Okay.
Yeah, la visit maya. They can use Zanta.
Okay.
But so ne kena Ghana trace. So no go kena Ghana trace so trending. The trending man yamo. The bo na ben ma trending mo. But man no ko publisher bane. Kabo na zan nan trending. Man nyek blog ma kan publisher kabo na zan nan trending. Ngam kena ko nyale. Man yan zan nan trending. The be woman abonnement pagi number of kamaka streams ma te galse kar won ba trend ma la ni audio mark. It's not that under to zan ben ni trend.
No.
It's not that banya settle as trending. Ben ni settle as trending akari ko.
Okay.
So it is trending.
So what you are trying to say is
so what he doesn't know. So what he doesn't know is that you submit for trend. I submit for trend. The man I submit for playlisting on
I submitted for trend man.
Okay.
I submitted for trend man. If it is not making like waves on audio mark man, the bank cannot on trending. It will never appear on trend.
To deepen your legibility, this audio mark legible because you can trend down and make it.
It means what?
You can sit down on your platform. So you can sit down and make it.
Let's get
but with audio mark, it has to trend before
let's get understand. Zene, in a not too forcefully. Is that what you're trying to say?
Yes.
Then it's good for the artist, man.
Because
if being trend the country into trends.
Because we are promoting you.
Then to audio mark ben yer shangane to versa ka tan kamande adahama ka badaha.
Yes.
To pumpo bla versa mambela. Each o trends are believe no trend me. But then ko trend but with audio mark it has to if you submit it has to
trending on our list.
Has only to wunda.
Yes.
So no to wunda.
Then it means that it was a no man.
What done the
it was a no because here shaman one day into kama so miras. Can drop ila can karabe Ghana trees. Into zalana it trending list map.
Yes.
Karabe ni man. Bo yarama kama na with audio mark na la ayila man. The trend before you can get it there. This is how you come here. Ayilama, the balance no convincement. No kunya trend now no. Because ayilama.
So you see what?
But in the mean chama money.
So before you see it in the man, shela dila wahala shela banku saadi. There is black no kusadi. Then check out album market trend.
Okay.
Aku tu bang dari
Nyama use la audio mark ha le kaptina ampaka na bamba audio mark aba kapumpo nyala blogger since 2012.
Okay.
2012 me audio mark aba maybe you became an artist manager somewhere along the line man nyam blogger long time mark and tran kana artist manager kapa bang audio mark.
Okay.
Maybe Ghana nem ne play
oh ma aba bang
no example
so now it means that it means that you can help me with that.
To lad bin mark ambana use
but that's the illegibility
block side map mbeni nyere.
Okay.
Abangala abo and akam na nuntu song you want me to use my audience to help promote you.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you that northern region, the whole northern region is our audience.
Yeah.
Like I can even say Ghana. Ghana's at the audience in Yaba. As compared to Audio Mark, Ghana's at the audience in Yaba. Okay. But you never Audio Mark, the one Ghana's our audience in Yaba.
Okay. But you know to me
Ghana you audience
we have presenters in South. Presenters in South. Kabanyar Dagbangila, Ghana Trace, Kabanyar Lambera. Join Audio Mark. Hold on, could download Audio Mark. What is the meaning of promotion? Promotion can happen for my they are a promotion. I have a lot of songs on my phone. Can you like their name? Can you one day maybe radio station share? Captain Yale. Can you wait and to the most used word in it? Can you use it as you intend to search about shit? Mostly that's how people look for things. Yeah. But other than I'm use the search engine. Unless of course you don't know search engine. I can talk about search engine. 98% of internet users use search engine. 98% of internet users use search engine.
Music listeners.
Oh, what? But internet users. So I use the audio mark. Internet user
Internet user
So near 98% of you. Kapalan yarman music listener panya
so kama ya yetu asheria nyini tane yila na be shamma anta na nirba pak bobo phone na bobo phone in Google you see yela ban ma dalankane people download the platform boom play audio mark la platform ma kan wayan download kapa che yila Canada zo kan banka kapa download yila ma over artist be yila ma trend
jambo baga so if music listeners smartphone users bro
smartphone
I'm managing the artist
no smartphone
so after smartphone how do you download the application man so blan search on search engine so after smartphone aku can take Tamale population how much percent of Tamale population my smartphones and you are talking about downloading the applications
baba guys
so baba guys man audience the ban download the audio
halban dolila
so you know
dolila online you bamba pa ban dolila offline because most people don't even listen to
so how do you most people don't
but me understand that.
So now listen. Someone can download and give it to the offline user. What about audio mark? How do you promote radio it to the offline
most
user?
People listen to music on radio.
So audio mark radio.
You don't know you can play.
But people use the phone radio. Radio ne. People use the phone radio.
Zola made full album.
Baninda tole. Mara tole me in a drive.
No. Okay. Yes. So now, Dres, finally, what do you think the artist should do now? Yes, audio market.
Okay. Well, what I think artists should do is that. Every platform has its use, and the uses of both platforms. And I want to tell every artist that blogs and streaming platforms, they work hand in hand. I understand, but one thing I know for sure is that most artists right now redirect fans because they are the brand, and they redirect fans to themselves, not to other platforms. You understand? So if you have a platform like Audio Mark where you can host your music, where you can put music on and people can stream your songs, if you have like Spotify where people can stream through, it's better than putting your songs up for download because most people do not download music anymore. I understand, people don't download on their memory or in their phone players. People download on the platform itself and play it there because that's what the world is all about right now. And music distribution has evolved. So I think that people from here should evolve as well. I think if we start with something like Audiomack, I think with time our people, our artists will benefit from stuff like Spotify and other digital platforms.
Thanks so much for that submission, isn't it?
Yeah.
Final words.
Well, final words, I want to tell the artists that the never have a mentality from just doing music to doing showbiz. Because I can't let the Bambia Nama Lava Para. I'm a Kuto once I'm cut to some so I can't let Lami Maza. And one thing I also want to add is that before you start something, I ain't teacher Polo, Lebang Denyasham, Abami Buhamaso, Abangala, Deja so captive no, it doesn't go that way. Yeah, so Akunya kaso cover Audiomack, Dre capture the man, Buhabang, then in Nation Shamzaha, then you go and Anle, Akatle, Kamatun could defeat Maza, Amule, Ambang, Tukubara and Nation, the Palanam Bantina cut the Balahale. But I still stand and still go by they're saying that think to survive, we can survive on our own, but
we can stand independent.
Yes, and survive on our own, but Ankatle like to survive on platforms as an artist, you need to still partner with us for our audience, because most of artists are Banyarama, we made them who they are, and they now want to say that no, then I'm use your example. No, artist money so you will never agree to that.
No, lucky believe
So and I got mostly I even advise that people should go for Bambale Bambale performance royalties, but it's better than pay Bambale mechanical royalties. And mechanical royalties, my track which like I mean bit clicks, big clicks now. But before you registered with them, you needed to pay. Shara, you mean, calculator accounts matter. Then you put your songs there for people to come and pay and download.
My playlist.
My playlist. Yeah, so then the matter and. The problem is that mostly and you have to pay before calculator matter. Just like it's even sometimes huge amount carrying you back calculators and
I think most of them are not credible enough for people to trust them, so I don't think they should even trust them in the first place. Catalan loser
and most of the times everything is going down, so maybe nearly 1,000 the die
okay
2 cities but never pay it be another take another cash out because fairly. You don't have any proof to tell them that no one never download the and lab Hana Pambian, lad Kamala big less, but you only pump most of old artists, my brother, you lack Karakatan Bilan and another point.
Because the man first time that we got in Yellow,
yes, Kazan Bilan and another point, yeah, but things are Buktola United yellow because
so you think we need one that can
I just want them to understand like Kamale last site nama Kama didn't yell as an Audiomack, Ghana Trace embedded link from Audiomack need to fail. Someone can still go and search on internet. Then I know to download the Ilama, go to Ghana Trace. So on Patreon, Audiomack fail we can go and replace it with a different link. So you may lossy.
You won't lose track.
You don't lose track of lab in Yarma. Besha can be Pumbian, Denbian. Abana. So like Dinya and Patena, Kaji Kazan Audiomack, the pan to SoundCloud link Zamamane. So on Patena, Copaji Kazan SoundCloud. But I put my old Benchamas and a number of people who always visit my Bampunya and Bianma, so you can still keep track. Abana. So you should not depend on other side, man. If you depend on that alone, it easily fails. Let me be frank with you. However, between 2017 to 2020, Audiomack failed on the way before they retried again.
Tama proof.
Final
So Zeni, Ghana Trace.
Yeah.
You know, ready for la particular. They don't come. Audiomack come one in bed and
well, I even wanted to say that, but Mama like only a captain. I didn't check on Tamama. And Uncle Mala either I release them on Audiomack, be Akuban design and downloadable. I'm a man who could Ghana.com. I get contacts. You can contact us. They catch on Facebook page, man. Titi Fila, and they am Miti Shabzaha and to Titi Fila, because mostly it's not just about taking money from you. Man, what we even take from you, man, the product of Shatiti, it's just to buy data and put your song out there for promotion. So song some punya zantra so di nan ka ben sha na zantiti anto ku yelti oh yila na ngo karbo ni song ma ngo nka ben sha ka ko nyam pille big artist ya ko mi yoma
they do that
but so yar ben sha but upcoming ma ba min la ankalare acto no ben sha that is their mentality and artists like most of managers ma ban sha bian ba ma display one na mi audio back ye to ban sha bian ba ban ko do mi ben sha they just want the name artist manager so bo ham ben sha about managing ma ngoku kam nan tipiara pune so bi kunya shabna dar para ngo habe ben dam do ni mare abang la di to kulu sham ka ba landa alabna
so sometimes you even ask them why they put the song there
oh kuto explain it yes
come on kunya ma to outlining one of mazati US man now artist man now do all them artist managers man ka bazan abo there is one use opportunity one because you mala show yindi
na ba ta la show yindi show para pa ka so kam oi na ko yarma ya ne ben yina pam so te sur la so kam yim na got no show ma cause show when you major show tete and then your major show ma be la share ten zan la man number show so to me na zan la number show ma den song to pam so kam za yim na got no le and also mpon yelle mo pa na gwanche te bora ni nis and te bora ni nis ma I've learned a lot through him ko o learn a lot through me I understand it so tun ko bora sham nyame most of our media guys like but reaches out Ndaya is Hassan they don't reach out they don't tell the artists they don't tell the artist managers they don't tell the fans what the fans should do I wasn't born an artist PR I wasn't like some people weren't like I'm a chance school for artist PR I'm a chance school for this I didn't go to school so be yara pambia ka artist PR bien and that year so teacher Onga you know so yet near my most of our people don't know artist managers, artist PR, artist bumbo.
But in the first email issue with Hype Media because tena jinye career in it in concern Farland. And when I even find out, you guys, even the come on, you know what you are doing, so you don't need the service
so
of
the problem in Dagbang is that people feel like let's say media people feel like artists mino nana batumda artists ma borma na ya no million na de shabe obenidru. It's not like we don't need Hype Media. It's not like we don't need Ghana trees. That's a target. I understand. Yeah, we are trying to drive the people from just downloading songs, listening to songs, to katamari yila ma mborla because yila nyela business. Nkwarla yila ma trama kadara. So what I want to plead with people is that anyala media person, whether radio presenter nya, bombo nya, kayun le kama artist de tuno nongo, be artist manager tuno nongo. Pan solo, reach him out to the artist man. I'm feeling not to reach out to you, Sham. La no come mineral to like the tuno reach out to you. Because and some of them are even shy, but I like an artist like Fadlan. Over me only and Piasha, over me and yella to share. I understand it, and that's call so media man and you can you in now so you be a pumpkin caranya Jimmy. Help me, mamma, me no mean la fila. Can you know there are so many things that we don't know because let's say if I feel like I'm uploading an album on Ghana Trees, Ghana Trees one song here maybe 100 CD. Come on, you uploaded 12 million, but I understand it. I'll feel like forgetting that Kalaka be in charge. One mama me na me yemale. I understand it. So like most of the people don't even know. So don't sit down as Hype Media ka assume commande farla won neglect man be farla management neglect man be no reach out to them and ask them what is going on nyela if fly ya kaza abangla sometimes you should go that way
alle on yele to ashama like didn't get my topic ma didn't check am piano no and it's an opportunity because artist manager and so to represent to other artist managers ma alle yamani reach out to them is somehow poor and I also have a different way. Most of the entertainment programs and talk shows they're not very educative to the artists and their managers, but they don't listen. They don't listen at all. Like Bishop problem come any artist FM station wombo. I mean about that way. Be any artist manager and Nigeria woman like and Bishop don't be but when we are criticizing them they think we are insulting them. Yeah. I hear about in the the chile can no bansa na tubama abangala and I told like Larry Shilon Yelma come on email Ben Shaw as artist manager and artist email Ben Shaw and then you reach out to the media personality. You don't wait for that person to see that thing and ask you akaboki mama abang la wo
den kunun karnyere
nyam benen nyere ka abang la pa solo ma nyim zang da pago ami abang la wi and you say to asha ne bishop ben bozora vi and that is true bishop ben bozora vi ka bishop ben is intentional and bishop ben personality nyere like even media personality even media personality to like something like message but only he will ma karnya ka Bambi sama the person will never mind you. A lot of them do that. So then the matter the boiler media personalities because on time message go next time Agbantin to borrow some share go buy your own that's another aspect and mostly it's not about payment man apuka let them understand that
simple
and that's all. So baza na pa bang no song ko song unko song is not a problem but in so ata ma didn't check out man la
and see there's
and also one thing I want to say is like oyela criticism here to akamborna you see I think that one media people should understand that if let's say me as an artist PR if I disagree with you, it doesn't mean you should blacklist me. Like Hype Media, like people can actually blacklist your whole artist because disagreement in the comments box on Facebook. I understand you. Because like no, like come on. This is criticism we are talking about. Then you showbiz man. I understand.
Maybe being a they can even
come on means in it disagreement because we've always been commenting how karata pago ngoma. Think kana chonga tin you say the party and zabme. Tell that time no can discuss on how to move forward. That is how it is. But come on.
He has not got into that extent. Entertainment man, that's showbiz. So the chamba sometimes you don't even I could want name industry players man so come not free don't criticize anybody. It has happened to me.
I have that a lot.
Can meet to kapu ko sa. And then can feel like don't share by my don't want nama. The only thing you can see is all the time positive things my kind but entertainment my bane. Yes, on dit on anya ni so on diam fan pam and when by my dance so well. Because respect me to our passion. I think the champa chopna the yimna the budget but at the end of the day tumba shama. Album conversation you understand that they work hand in hand. And there's the need for us to work with the blog site and at the same time that's streaming platforms now because Dunia Mazuru and we need to also move ahead. So the name can if you don't watch a program can share you because so I had that fan. Follow another show Yendi the Mazan is very clear ni yimna vegananga katizan of something you share go show the 14th karakana November because I have to be yellow kati piongo kuwe nuti zano ka ye na boys so kuwe ma ku military ni shambe so that's no static studio kati use man then and lolo kan manu kati ya so de na kan ya ambala recording voice over nyere documentary ka magi ka borla la be movie soundtrack ka bona no den na maza hono le chon mixing no mastering za ato ku locate obiara no sangani apo serga ampaga afo mutala yeng makale right hand side inde ku twi man na bia full house share anko face man cha anko cha du no ngani ogoza ku bielo kono mun na mu ka cha bi yanga Mr. Zene mfu ka papa this Blake umpire from ni kan so that's no industry arm by man and then kan mfu ka pa wan mun kan so ka tata no be sham you mo na rasa gambla mun na next time.